Welcome to Real Time Stock Tips. Today, we bring to you our detailed analysis on a potential multi-bagger stock, Bharat Electronics Limited. Bharat Electronics Limited is an Indian state-owned aerospace and defense company with about 9 factories and several regional offices in India. It is owned by the Indian government and primarily manufactures advanced electronic products for the Indian Armed Forces. BEL is one of the 9 PSUs under the Ministry of Defence of India. It has been granted Navratna status by the Government of India. BEL designs, develops and manufactures a range of products in the following fields. VVPAT used with Indian electronic voting machines in Indian elections. Different types of radars. Type used for detection of aircraft, and long-range radar antenna used to track space objects and ballistic missiles. Telecommunication. Broadcasting antenna. Missiles. The Akash surface-to-air missile with a range of 25 km in partnership with Ordnance Factory Board. Tank electronics. A few other products they offer but not limited to are defense communications, solar power generation systems, naval systems, C4I systems for Air Force, a low-cost tablet PC, biometrics capturing for Nation Population Register, encryptors for the Ministry of Home Affairs, IFF secondary radar, and SDR and IP radio in multiple frequency bands. BEL shareholding pattern. 51.1% promoter, which is the government, 25.6% MF, 9.6% FII, 6% other institutions, and 7.7% public. Recent developments. Below are a few joint ventures that Bharat Electronics are getting with GE USA, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Indus Texit, and many others to achieve technical excellence. Our analysis. NSE closing price as on 24 December 2020 is Rs 114.90. Our call. Best entry level is Rs 100 to Rs 115. Short-term trader stop loss closing basis is Rs 95. We strongly recommend buy call. Target price is Rs 130, Rs 150, Rs 175 and Rs 200 plus. Once the stock breaches Rs 130, with good volume, we can see quick upward movement to Rs 150. This stock is a good keep for long term, also for healthy gains. Hope the above information will help you with your stock watch. We'll be back with our new stock watch this coming Sunday, so do not miss it. Until then, happy hunting and don't forget to like and subscribe.